What's up, guys? We're here in the Clubhouse Exchange. We're doing the giveaways for the final auctions of the year. I head back up to Canada, so I won't be back and really be that active in selling until around Christmas time again. So this is my final auctions for the year. I'll probably do something around Christmas. But guys, thank you. I tried to make the giveaways pretty big. That was the list, the final count, which took me about 2 hours. So we're going to go live. I'm just going to run this like a Raz, sort of. We're going to run this 3 times. So this is 10:33 here in Denver. So we're going to random 3 times, and then it's the top 10 that are going to win. Top 10. And guys, we have the list right here. Aaron Granson on top, all the way down to that guy on the bottom, Matthew Smith. So guys, we're going to go 3 times, and I'm going to do a timestamp after the second time as well. 1. We have 690 items, and I think we had 888 total bids, except MNum took out his entries. 2. Aaron on top after 2. We're going to grab this timestamp. And that timestamp is in at 10:34. It's 10:34. Guys, third and final time. Good luck. Boom. Ed, congratulations. You win the Bernie Perrant signed jersey. All the way down to Mark. So Ed, you get the Perrant jersey. Aaron, $50 group break credit. Mark, you get the Gabrick. Aaron Granson, the Pavelski. Tim, you get the 6-way in the game used jersey. Mark, the clearly authentic autograph. Tim, the How Originals out of 20. Chappie, you get the Ducks card. Aaron, you get the Originals lot. And Mark, you get the Anthony Rantha, Anti-Ranta signed puck. And guys, there you have it.